Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zendesk agent performance metrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix Zendesk agent performance metrics, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin settings by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. Select the reports section to access performance metrics for your agents. Look for the Explore option within the reports section. Click on Explore to start working with your analytics. You will see various pre-built reports. Find the one relevant to agent performance. Open the agent performance report to analyze the data. Take note of any discrepancies or areas that need improvement. If specific metrics aren't showing as expected, check if the correct date range is selected. Adjust the date range to include the time period you're investigating. Apply any filters to refine your data to specific agents or teams. Review the performance metrics displayed, such as ticket resolution times and satisfaction ratings. Identify patterns by comparing metrics over different time frames. Consider exporting the data for a more detailed analysis. To export, click on the export icon and choose your preferred format. Once you have your data, analyze trends and pinpoint areas needing attention. Discuss findings with your team to develop improvement strategies. Make sure to provide feedback to agents based on their performance metrics. Encourage agents to use the insights for self-improvement. Regularly revisit the performance metrics to track progress over time. Adjust your analysis methods as necessary based on evolving business needs. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and improve Zendesk agent performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.